Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. I'm currently over $1,000 in profit in just under 6 hours. My system is absolutely killing it for me this week. The news was clear and my system was indicating to me that this is a prime time for a buy. And what do you know, it's absolutely boosted up.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what.
And there you go, money in the bank. I'll be sleeping so well tonight. I will also be dropping some great tips on trading for you guys in the next videos, so definitely stick around for that. See you in the next one.